Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the RC Hunter and this is my final job of the day, is putting lights on my £11 monster truck. Let's go around. Wow. It's crazy what you can do for a little money. This is absolute awesome. So I've got front and back lights. Front's obviously white and the back ones are red. So cool. Chuck for that. So what I've done is, I'll briefly explain, is that I put a battery to the PCB board, to the on off switch, and I can turn it on and off when the vehicle's not in use, so it's pretty cool. Just turn my flashlight off on the camera, show you what it's like. So now, because it's winter coming along, I can take this outside at night time and have a drive a bit, because I've now got lights. There we go. That's mega. That is so cool. And I'll just put the kitchen light on, and the lights are still bright, even with kitchen light on. So you now see three different sort of like lights. So like with no lights, with my camera light, and with a kitchen light, and they're still really bright. So that's really cool. Yeah, so there we go. There's my £11 monster truck converted to lights. Right then, I shall go and I'm going to put my shoes on, and I'm going to have a little play now with the truck outside, because it's night time. It's very, very dark. So yeah, I'll go take it out, see what it's like, and have 10 minutes fun with it. Right then, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment if you like, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao for now.